Good evening, everybody. Good to see you. Sorry it's been a while since I downloaded. I actually did a video on working on the GTO on Tuesday and Wednesday night, getting the interior cleaned up and ready to go. This is going to be on the GTO, getting the headliner out. But anyway, on the stuff I downloaded on this new GoPro Hero 9, and for whatever reason it didn't transfer to my software. So we're going to I'll show you what I did earlier this week. Just a quick update on everything here. So the motor's in, transmission is in, as you can see there. I got the interior all cleaned up. I am very happy with the way that came out. So I took out all the insulation that was on the floor. Got the floors all clean. I got a little bit screwed up now. As you can see, I was taking the headliner out and there's mouse crap in the ceiling, so I'm getting all that out. But got all the wiring cleaned up and everything tidied up under here. I got a little bit of insulation over there I got to get out and cleaned up. But everything else is very tidy. So my goal tonight is to get the headliner out. This will be the last of the dirty stuff, and then Sunday come back over in the morning and get the steering connected back up with the new rag joint and stuff like that. And new brake lines going in. Those are supposed to be here from Ames Performance tomorrow. And that'll get all this stuff buttoned up. So the steering's done, suspension's done, brakes are done. Got new shocks ready to go in, but I'm going to wait till the end to put those in. And then drop the intake and carburetor on probably before I head back on Sunday, just to have less stuff in boxes. And she's coming along. So there's the sad Corvette at the moment. But we'll get to that as we're finishing up the GTO. So we've got a plan on that now too. As you can see, I cut off some of the damaged fender stuff and getting all that moving along. But let's get to the headliner and the news of the day. I got it torn loose on this side for the most part, except for the crossbows, as you can see there. And then I pulled the visor off this side. I'll pull the visor off the other side and get the mirror off, and that'll get all this stuff moving. And then hopefully we'll be able to get this out of here tonight, and I say finish up the last of the nasty work. So lots of Phillips head screws here. I'll fast forward through this so you don't have to sit and watch it in my slow motion, but at least you'll see what I'm doing here. So if any of you guys are in the St. Louis area and want to have a little fun working on the cars, give me a buzz. Reach out to me on here and I'll DM you. But got a lot to do here. This should be the last of the dirty work, so we'll get to pulling this liner down now. Well, I'm realizing as I'm tearing this down from the inside, that's probably a dumbass move, as you can see. So I think I'm going to get outside the car and pull the rest of this down, but maybe it's just around the edges. So, it's just coming loose pretty easy. It's in the Pontiacs versus the Chevys. The Chevys look like they have just glue up only. This has little staples, which I'll show you in a second, that bend around the side. So that's pretty much it, actually. As you can see, I about got it out. So I'll get you a picture from the outside. The bows look like they're all in pretty good shape. They'll need to be cleaned up. I'll sit here and sand on those tonight. Clips are all good. It goes in this middle one. Sorry, here's the bow there. Okay. There's the bow there on that one. So the bows are all in good shape. Actually, none of this looks too bad up here, so we're doing alright here. Well, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. There was some crap under there, as you can see here, but not too bad. I'm not going to complain. So everything came out alright. Didn't break any of the bows, didn't break any of the clips. So I'm going to get under here and clean some of this stuff up and read the instructions again off of University of YouTube and see what we got to getting this back together. Obviously got to scrape all this glue and adhesive off of here. I'll do that tonight, just get the dirty work done again. I want to be doing this over at the other house, but I just said a few minutes ago on the other part of the clip, there's these metal spikes that I think are meant to grab the roof as you're putting it up. And I believe on the Chevelle that I saw on YouTube, putting the ceiling in a 69 or 70 Chevelle, that they did not have these little clips. So we'll glue it anyway, because this obviously was glued, but these will make it a little bit easier, and they are on the front side and all the way around as well, as you can probably see right there, about every 4 inches. So this is probably not going to be as bad a job as I thought. I was actually going to hire a guy to do the ceiling, but I think I'm just going to finish it up myself. Mice, devastating little buggers. Not too bad, I guess. I pulled it down and didn't show you in the video because it was disgusting. Actually, it really wasn't that bad once I got pulled down. This is really the bulk of it. It just was dirty. There were some mice up there. I didn't get them rat's nest or mouse nest, but lots of crap. Literally. Okay, guys, that about wraps it up for tonight. It's probably a pretty short video by the time I get done editing it, but got the headliner out. Floors are all clean. Dash is out and off on the way to Just Dash and Just Dashes in Van Nuys, California. And things are moving along. So there's the sad-faced Corvette at the moment. But she will be one again soon. And like I say, there's the GTO, and I got all this metal stuff cleaned up, as you can see here. That took a little bit of grinding, but I threw a little Prep-Sol stuff on it. I vacuumed this before I cleaned that stuff up and made a little bit of a mess, but now she's pretty much ready to go. So we'll get this thing vacuumed one more time tomorrow and put the drive shaft up Saturday, get the rag joint in the steering, and get this thing over to the other house where I can work on it daily without having to drive a half an hour each way, and get this thing wrapped up. So I've got a bunch more parts coming in on Monday, and excited to get back on it and get some stuff done. I had to take a shower from all the crap that was all over me, but anyway, hope you guys are all good. We will see you next time. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification button after you hit subscribe, and feel free to comment below. And if any of you guys are around St. Louis, please reach out to me. I'd love to have some help, and take care. See you on Sunday.